Hello, this is Phaedra from the Noble Collective. On this channel we do flower farming, gardening and plant related DIY. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Today I'm unboxing a package that I ordered from Etsy. It's a mixed box of succulents. First impression, this isn't quite what I was expecting to get in the mailbox. So let's get into it. These are my new scissors. They look super sharp and very cute. Ooh, hopefully I'm not damaging anything. Okay, so let's have a look. It's toilet paper. So that's not exactly what I was imagining. It's very limp. Well, that one was flowering. I'm not sure really how these are gonna go. I hope that they will survive. My husband will know. There's something, feels like something precious in here. That's cute. Yeah, it just doesn't really feel nice. I mean, obviously I know it's clean toilet paper, but it just doesn't feel nice. And I'm really a packaging person, so that's a cute one. I'm really into nice packaging. Nice. They're quite big cuttings. Whoop. The colours in that are gorgeous. Look at the edge of the leaf. Cute. Oh, I like this cute little one. This is what I imagined to get, just a little collection of tiny ones, which is, I mean, this is great. It's a nice one. Here's a little piece that broke off, but we can use that too. My husband's actually going to do the video of how to plant these and get them going and how to care for them. He's the expert. Well, that one's got a bit of damage, but you know, it's been in a package and it's travelled, so how's this one? She's cute. Okay, so the heavy ones seem that they're at the bottom of the box, which is good. Can't wait to get my husband over here because he is going to love this. Little piece that broke off, which is good. This is huge. Look at that. Really beautiful. And we're almost at the end. One left. Let me just pop all that back in there. Oh, look, it's got little pups on it. She's a cute one too. So there's our collection, and there's actually some really, really nice ones. I am still disappointed about the packaging, but I guess in the end what we actually get is what matters. And this was, I can't remember how much it was. I'll pop that up on the screen. It was actually quite cheap. And reading through what the seller says, they pack it on, I think, a Sunday, so it's fairly fresh. Posted on the Monday, and it arrived to me yesterday, which was Tuesday, and today's Wednesday. So it's only been in the box for potentially 3 days maximum. So look, if you don't want to spend the money on buying cuttings, you may still have to buy some, but if you don't want to have to wait for them in the post, you can find people that will just give you some little cuttings. Community groups on Facebook are really good for that. There's also Facebook Marketplace. There's lots of people selling succulents. There's also your nursery, and I'm going to add a couple of these. This is my husband's little collection. Yeah, so I'm going to go snip on that. We're not going to mention that, and it's funny because the present I'm making is for him. So anyway, so I'm going to go get my husband and see what he thinks. I didn't cut anything of yours.
Oh,
this all came in the box. Here's Moroni and James. You say hello. Good boy. So, Milmore, this is what we got in the box.
Mm-hmm.
And so they're kind of a little bit limp.
Dehydrated.
But what do we need to do to care for them from here?
Well, we need to remove a little bit of these leaves. So because they're going to go into the soil.
Don't pull too many off. What are you doing?
Well, because this has to be in the soil like this.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, we need to remove.
So we want a stalk on them all?
Don't have enough stem. I mean, for me, I would leave them a little bit longer.
To grow before you cut them off?
I mean, I will have a little bigger stem like this, like probably another 2 centimeters, so I have something to put into the soil.
Do you think this was good value? I think it was like $25.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably won't be able to make everything survive, but definitely we'll get some stuff out of this. Because there are some things like this one, like you just drop it into the soil and it's going to grow.
Well, let's do it. Let's sort this out now.
Mm-hmm.
And you can show everyone how to do it. Oh, danger!
1, 2, 3. Yeah, first, and probably one of the most important things is when we want to propagate, we want to leave them. We need to leave these ends where they were cut to seal. So when we, like, you want to see how this end is closed, like
sealed.
Yeah, sealed. So you rub your finger on it. It's dried and rough because like it.
Whereas show them a fresh cut, what it looks like. One of those.
Oh yeah, this one just fell down from that plant, and it's very green, bright green.
Yeah.
And if you touch it, it's moist.
This one's getting a little bit more. So anyway.
Yeah. So when we have them cut, and let's say prepare, like after one day, and they are sealed, the thing that we need to do is just basically poke them into the soil. Like that. Poke them in. Well, this one, like that's why I take some leaves off, because when we leave, like this one that is too, it's a little bit harder. So what I'm going to do is gently push with my fingers. The same with this one. Just going to push it like this, and try to stabilize them as possible. When we have a clear stem like this, it's pretty easy. You just pocket it right in and it stays. Yeah, with this one, I personally never have propagate this one, but it's the same thing. It's sealed. With this one we cut the leaves because the leaves were a little bit floppy, and we were fearing that if we leave them too long, you know, like the leaves need more energy, and that's going to cause more dehydration in the plant. So we're going to just try this. Hopefully our experience with this is going to help you to sort out this kind of plant in the future. Okay, next plant. Very simple. You put your camera probably on the top of the thing. You can see how they go in. You know, like pretty simple. By the way, this is just a regular cacti a mix from a package. We didn't do this. We didn't make it.
The soil.
The soil. You were wondering what we were using is just cacti mix.
Yeah.
Pretty simple. And I think that's all we have.
So that's it.
Yeah.
We'll have to wait for a little bit until they grow before we can sort of take cuttings. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new and you like gardening and flowers and DIY garden things, consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you've got something to say. And we'll link a couple of videos. So we'll link the DIY craft one, and I think that was it. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.